taste like candy. Bet it tastes like candy. Bet it tastes like candy. I broke up with my ex, I couldn't take his sarcasm. Every time we bone, I had to fake an orgasm. Moaning and groaning, tried to make him feel manly. I'd rather use my toys, plus my hands come in handy. I finally told him that my heart was somewhere else. Whenever we sexed, I wish that he was someone else. That dude that approached me at the bar the other night, that be the Mr. Right and hot enough to melt some ice. I think I'm in love like Beyonce be with Jigga. It's not his major figure that want him to be my nigga. He got that magic stick that make my little pussy quiver. Juices running like a river slowly down my kitty litter. Boy, I'm so glad I found a nigga like you, a thug like you to make a girl say ooh. Hope you feel as strong as my po hot dude. With you by my side, it's like I'm drunk off booze. If you be my man,